Morning, welcome to Heritage Ford here on this nice snowy day. We're here in Corydon, Indiana. Today I want to spotlight, this is one of our used vehicles that we've taken in. This is a 2020 Explorer. As you can see what excellent condition it's in. Now this vehicle does come with a 3.5 V6 EcoBoost engine, and it's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for a nice smooth run. You notice it comes with running boards, has a full roof rack completely. Let's walk around the front here. You have your fog lights, you have your auto headlights, and it also has tow hooks in the front, just in case it does need towed or you have to tow somebody out of somewhere, which is really nice. And it does come with a heavy-duty tow package, and it does come with a Class 4 trailer hitch, which is really nice for towing. Let's walk around the back here. You see on the back here, you do have these are reverse sensors all the way across the back. And you've got your camera for your backup. And this is an XLT model. Let's open her up here. Okay, and these seats here are automatic. You have your controls on the side. So automatically lower the seat and it will automatically raise the seat, which is really a nice feature. You don't have to push something, yank it back and forth. It's really nice. Same on both sides. Like I said, you can see how the seats fold down flat, and they do pop up forward to make it easy to get in the back. These fold up. Once these are up where they belong, just a step right in the back. But we like to keep these down just to show you how much space there is. And you do have tie hooks in the back if you need to strap anything in. All right. Let's go up front here. And as you can see, it does have a rotary shifter. And here is for your different drive modes: two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, your dual climate control up front, driver's side, passenger side, and this is for your trailer, for your trailer brake, plus or minus. And it does have the automatic push start and stop, which is really nice. All right, well, thanks for watching today, and you want to check out the vehicle more, you can go to our website, www.heritage.com, or call us at 812-738-3284 and ask for one of our product specialists. Every vehicle we have is on our website, full set of pictures, full set of information. So I appreciate your time and thank you very much.